Hi, it's Marieta, founder of ImmigrationBiz. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I want to talk about E2 visa, strong ties, because this is frequently asked question. Why do you need to establish strong ties to your home country when you're moving to the United States and you are actually planning to develop and manage the business? So let's do this. First, I'm going to read from the official source. Let me read you the definition and then I'm going to break it down for you. So, intent to depart upon termination of status. Now, everybody who is moving to the United States on non-immigrant visa need to show intent to depart the United States when that purpose of the trip is completed, okay? So in this case, it's an intent to depart upon termination of your status or upon completion of your business. However, here goes the definition. An applicant for E2 visa need not establish intent to proceed to the United States for a specific temporary period of time, nor does an applicant for E2 visa need to have residence in a foreign country which the applicant does not intend to abandon. The alien, which is you, might sell his or her residence and move all household effects to the United States. The alien's expression of an intent to depart the United States upon termination of E2 status is normally sufficient. Applicant who is beneficiary of an immigrant visa petition will need to satisfy that his intent is to depart the United States at the end of the authorized stay and not stay in the United States to adjust status or otherwise remain in the United States. So, in other words, what does it mean? Well, you can sell your household, your car, your business in order to move to the United States on E2 visa, which in other cases like B visa you cannot do, because by doing that you're showing that you're breaking the ties with your home country and that's why you cannot move, okay? That's one thing. On the other hand, you need to show intent to return back to your home country when you complete the business or the project, because otherwise this would be considered intent to stay permanently in the United States, and with E2 visa that would be illegal. So in other words, in reality, you still need to show some ties to your home country that you plan to keep, even though you are going to apply for E2 visa. However, it's not like in other cases with, for example, B visa, because with B visa, these are just a regular visa and you need to show that, you have strong ties to your home country, and therefore you have to show that you, for example, own the car, own property, you're employed, etc. So by doing so, you're showing strong ties and therefore you automatically showing intent to return. However, in your case, E2 visa applicant can sell these properties or your assets, because obviously you are investing, and many times, this sale of property is, for example, part of your E2 visa investment. At the same time, you need to show intent to return back home when you complete the project or when you complete the business or the business endeavor, whatever you plan to establish in the United States. Many times people, actually apply for a green card. So they go from E2 they go to the green card. There are several categories because they want to stay in the United States permanently, okay? But E2 visa is considered non-immigrant visa type, so you have to understand that just because you're going to establish the business, you're moving to the United States, doesn't necessarily mean you're getting immigrant visa. This is non-immigrant visa type, and therefore you need to establish this intent. So if you guys have any questions, leave them below, and I do want to invite you to my free webinar where I'm going to talk about more details how you can get E2 investor visa. So you can sign up below. I'm going to post the link below this video. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to receive my weekly updates. Have a great day.